In previous class, we have started our exercise 1.3 and we did till third question. Now we will see fourth question. Fourth question is same as the third one. We have to express 0.999 dash 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 in the form P by Q. In this again you will do x equals to 0.999. This will be our first equation. Then since only one digit is repeating, that is bar is in only one digit, so we will multiply both the sides by 10. 10x will be equals to 9.999. This is our equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. 10x minus x will be equals to 9.999 minus 0.999. This will become 9x equals to 9. Then x will be equals to 9 upon 9. And x is equals to 1. We can also write it as 1 upon 1. This is our answer. Now look at the fifth question. What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 7? Perform the division to check your number. Now listen one thing. The maximum digits in the repeating block will always be less than the denominator. That means it can be maximum up to 16, but it cannot be greater than 16 if the denominator is 17. Now what is repeating block? For example, suppose a number is 0.424242. Then this 42 is the repeating block. If a number is 0.478478, then this 478 is the repeating block. So we know that maximum number of repeating blocks in this question can be 16. We have to prove this by doing division, and division you have to do yourself. I have given you the answer. 1 by 7 will be equal to this. It also shows that the repeating block has 16 digits. Now look at the sixth question. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers with no common factors other than 1 and having terminating decimal expansions. Can you guess what property Q must satisfy? Now see the answer. In this, we have to write only those numbers in numerator and denominator which do not have the common factors other than 1. Since 2 and 5 do not have any common factor other than 1, 3 and 2 also don't have any common factor other than 1, 7 and 8 also don't have any common factor other than 1, 7 and 10 also don't have any common factor other than 1. So these all are terminating numbers. That means their decimal expansion is terminating, as shown here. Now we have to observe their denominators. Their denominator is either 2 or in the power of 2. 8 is 2 की power 3. So either 2 or in the power of 2, or it can be either 5 or the power of 5, or can be the combination of both. See, this is 5, this is 2, this is 2 cube, and now this is 10. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So this is combination of both. So this is our answer. Now see question number 7. Write 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. In this, we have to name 3 numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring. See, the 3 numbers are 0.50, then 500, then 5000, then 5 4 zeros. See, in this, these numbers after decimal should not repeat, and it should not end also. That means it should not terminate. Now first number will be this, second will be 80, 800, 8000, then 8 4 zeros. Other number what you can have 0.720, then 7200, then 72000. Like this, there are infinite numbers. You can name any number. And also one thing, these numbers whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-recurring are called irrational numbers. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.